Product review: Sony A8H OLED. The Sony A8H OLED is a high-end television that offers a stunning picture quality and a range of advanced features. With its sleek design, powerful processor, and innovative sound system, the A8H OLED is a top contender in the premium television market. One of the standout features of the Sony A8H OLED is its picture quality. The television uses an OLED panel, which provides a deep black level and excellent contrast ratio. This makes for a vivid and lifelike picture, with colors that pop and stunning detail. The television also uses Sony's advanced X1 Ultimate processor, which enhances the picture quality even further, providing improved clarity and color accuracy. The Sony A8H OLED also comes with a range of advanced features that make it a versatile television. The television supports 4K resolution, HDR10, and Dolby Vision, allowing you to watch your favorite movies and TV shows in stunning detail. The television also supports a variety of streaming services, including Netflix, Amazon Prime, and Hulu, making it easy to find the content you love. In addition to its stunning picture quality, the Sony A8H OLED also boasts an innovative sound system. The television uses what Sony calls acoustic surface audio, which means that the sound comes directly from the screen itself. This provides a more immersive sound experience, with audio that matches the action on the screen. The television also supports Dolby Atmos, which provides an even more immersive sound experience. The Sony A8H OLED also comes with a sleek and modern design that is sure to look great in any living room. The television has a slim profile and minimal bezels, which means that the screen takes up as much space as possible. This makes for a more immersive viewing experience, with less distraction from the television itself. The television also comes with a range of connectivity options, including HDMI, USB, and Ethernet ports, making it easy to connect to other devices. One potential drawback of the Sony A8H OLED is its price. As a premium television, the A8H OLED comes with a premium price tag, which may be a barrier for some consumers. However, for those who are willing to invest in a high-end television, the A8H OLED is an excellent choice. In conclusion, the Sony A8H OLED is a top-of-the-line television that offers a stunning picture quality, innovative sound system, and a range of advanced features. Its sleek design and versatile connectivity options make it a great choice for any living room, while its advanced processing power and support for 4K and HDR provide an immersive viewing experience. While its high price may be a concern for some consumers, the A8H OLED is a top contender in the premium television market and is definitely worth considering for those who prioritize picture quality and advanced features. Overall, the Sony A8H OLED is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-end television that can provide an unparalleled viewing experience. The Sony A8H OLED is Sony's flagship 2020 OLED TV, delivering a stunning 4K picture with perfect blacks and vivid colors. This 55-inch and 65-inch television uses an advanced OLED panel combined with Sony's powerful picture processor X1 Ultimate and acoustic surface audio technology. The A8H features Sony's third-generation cognitive processor XR, which utilizes artificial intelligence and deep learning to optimize the television's video and audio performance. This picture processor X1 Ultimate analyzes content in real time and adjusts various elements like contrast, color, detail, and motion. The result is sharp, lifelike 4K images with incredible contrast thanks to the OLED panel's perfect blacks.